If Claude AI's voice chat is staying silent or refusing to pick up your voice, you are likely dealing with a simple permission block or a hidden software conflict. I am going to show you exactly how to get that microphone active again in under 3 minutes. Stick around until the very end because I have a specific system setting trick that fixes the connection timeout error, which most people mistakenly blame on their internet. The reason your voice chat is failing usually comes down to microphone hijacking. This happens when another app like Zoom or a web browser tab is holding onto your microphone and refusing to share it with Claude. Think of it like a phone line that is already busy. Claude is trying to call in, but the hardware is occupied elsewhere. Sometimes it is just a digital hiccup, where the app loses its handshake with your operating system's audio drivers. To get this fixed, start by doing a hard reset of the app. Do not just swipe it away on your phone. Go into your app switcher and force quit it entirely. If you are on a computer, close the tab and the browser. Now, check your internet. A weak signal will kill a voice chat faster than anything else because streaming audio requires a constant, stable upload speed. If your Wi-Fi is shaky, toggle it off and try your mobile data to see if the voice icon suddenly starts responding. Next, we need to look at your permissions because this is the most common culprit. If you are using a browser like Chrome, look at the small padlock icon right next to the URL in the address bar. Click that and make sure the microphone toggle is actually set to Allow. If you are on an iPhone or Android, go into your main system settings, find the Claude app in your list, and check the permissions menu. Even if it says it is on, toggle it off and then back on again to refresh the digital handshake. For those of you on Windows 11, you need to go to Privacy and Security Settings, click on Microphone, and ensure that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on. If you have OBS, Zoom, or even a gaming chat open in the background, close them immediately. These apps love to hog the mic input, leaving Claude with nothing to hear. If you are still getting a no mic detected error, try recording a quick voice memo on your device. If that doesn't work either, your hardware is the problem, not the AI. If you are on Android and the app feels laggy or hangs mid-sentence, go into your storage settings and clear the app cache. This wipes away temporary junk files that might be clogging the voice processing. If all else fails, delete the app and reinstall it from the store to ensure you have the 2026 updated version, which includes the latest stability patches for voice-to-voice communication. Now, for that pro tip I mentioned, if your transcription keeps timing out even with good internet, check if you have a VPN or a proxy active. These often route your audio data through distant servers, causing a lag that Claude's security system flags as a broken connection. Turn off the VPN, and you will notice the voice chat becomes almost instant. You should be back to talking with Claude now without any more silence.